Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your host, Gigi Faison, and today we are going to create a four-tiered cake using the Faux rosebuds that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. Yes, we're going to use these, and we're going to make magic. We're going to create a beautiful cake using these rosebuds. Last year I created a tree for Valentine's Day, or a couple of trees, and I used them in a tablescape. So I'll try to locate that video and insert it in the iCards above. So I hope you guys will join in with me as I create this cake, and I'll be back later to tell you why I am creating a faux rosebud cake, four-tiered at that. Alright you guys, thank you all so much for stopping by. While I'm here, if you're new to my channel, I welcome you and I thank you so much for stopping by. If it's your first time, I hope you will enjoy what I will be sharing, and I would encourage you to browse around to see what other things that I do on this channel here. And if you like what you see, I would love for you to go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and then tap that notification bell twice so you'll be notified each and every time that there is an upload made here. I welcome you here. And for those of you that continue to show me love and support, you know that I love you and I appreciate you guys so much. So let me continue working, creating this magic, and I'm going to bring you guys along. Alright, take care and enjoy. Okay guys, now that you know what we're doing, now would be a perfect time for you to go ahead and grab your coffee, your tea, whatever it is that you're choosing to drink, and enjoy what I will be sharing with you. Now, these are the items that I'm using, and I got this packet of the cake foams from Amazon, and what I'm going to do is insert this skewer into these layers, and then I will proceed with decorating using my foam roses. So this is how they are being attached together, is by the skewer, and I just pressed it all the way down. And now I will go ahead and start decorating this mold using my foam roses. So you guys continue to enjoy and stick with me here. You will not be disappointed once we reach the end. And I will tell you a little bit more about what we're doing as we go through the video.
For now, I'll embrace our wondrous sea. Diving in to all this endless space, falling stars, and still I see you. Sweet escape, a lovely start, but letting go's the hardest part.
So what I'm doing here is just applying a dab of glue to each of the buds, and then holding them in place until they are secure, and then just repeating the process until I am done. So continue just watching, and I will continue to do the work. Guys, for the sake of time, I'm going to speed this row up, and we're going to start into the next row. Basically, all that I am doing is going around, adding the buds to each of the sections, and as they start to overlap, I just insert the rosebud in between the overlapping. So what you actually see in the container that I'm opening in the rear here are some of the smaller buds that I actually purchased from Oriental Trading, and this was in my quest to find more when the Dollar Tree no longer had any more. I searched all of the Dollar Trees that were in my surrounding area, so I ordered the smaller ones from Oriental Trading, and I think I ordered some also from Amazon, but yeah, these are just some of the smaller ones. Before I do my reveal, I just want to say that this video is part of a collaboration, and it's hosted by Grandma Sandy and co-hosted by Gigi of Gigi's Creations. Now, it's Gigi's birthday that we're celebrating, so Grandma Sandy has asked, and Gigi as well, have asked that we create whatever it was that we wanted to do, whether it was a coffee table styling, fireplace mantle styling, create a tablescape, whatever it was that you wanted to do, it would be perfectly fine. And I think Gigi's favorite color is red because they asked that we use the color red. So you guys, I will reveal to you my cake. I will also leave in my description box below the links to Grandma Sandy's channel as well as Gigi's Creation, and there will also be a playlist link of all of the other creators that will be participating. So you guys, please let me know what you think of my cake in the comment section below. And again, if you're new, I welcome you to my channel. It's easy. Just hit the red subscribe button and tap the notification bell twice so you'll be notified each and every time that there is an upload. All right, you guys, be blessed. Take care until I see you again. Now, guys, as I shared with you earlier, this is a collaboration, and it is the Cozy Corner collaboration hosted by Grandma Sandy, and her co-host is Gigi of Gigi's Creation. Now, it's Gigi's birthday, and they normally have Tea Time Tuesday, so I thought it was only fitting that I share a cup of tea, jasmine tea, with Gigi in celebration of her birthday. And you guys, these two are some very talented and very beautiful in spirit ladies. Now, I don't know of anything that anyone would ask these two to do that they would not do. And that's within reason, of course. On their channels, you may find Gigi creating something, doing a DIY. You may find Grandma Sandy in her fairy garden, just doing some beautiful things. Grandma Sandy can make gardens like I've never seen before. And Gigi, she can just put whatever it is that she touched, she can make magic with it. So please check out both their channels and let them know that you were sent there via me, Gigi Faison. And you guys, I want you just to enjoy what I will be sharing with you as I reveal to you my cozy corner for Gigi's birthday. Hey guys, as I reveal to you my little cozy corner, you will find here my beautifully decorated foam cake created by using foam roses from the Dollar Tree, a few of these the golden leaf picks that I picked up from Michael's. Also, I have in my corner here eucalyptus garland, a few gift boxes can't have a cake celebration or birthday celebration without cakes and gifts. So I've decorated my little space here, my little cozy corner that I usually have for my coffee station or my station for my kids. So I'm decorating it today for Gigi. Also, Gigi and Grandma Sandy normally have Tea Time Tuesday, so which is why you see the teapot there. I will be serving her jasmine tea. I hope she likes jasmine tea. Also, my cake. You guys, tell me, what do you think of my cake here? And you see, these are the little gold leaves here that I also got from Michael's, and it's part of that David to Tara wedding collection. And Michael's were having a sale about 3 years ago, and I purchased them to use for something else, but I thought it was fitting to use to give my cake that extra touch of elegance that I was needing to create this birthday cake for Gigi. Also, I have some Red Hat salad plates, and I know I'm serving tea and I have my little tea saucer, but I thought these plates were just beautiful to share with someone that has such a beautiful spirit. Now, this collaboration is Grandma Sandy and hosted by Grandma Sandy for Gigi. So Gigi, as you read the inscription on these plates, insert yourself into these, such as, it's all about me, but no, it's all about you because it's your birthday. All right, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to let me know what you think about it, what you think about my cake in the comment section below. Don't forget to wish Gigi a happy birthday. And I want to take this time to say happy birthday to you, Gigi. And thanks to Grandma Sandy for hosting this collaboration, as well as Gigi, the co-host. And you guys, I thank you all so much for all the love that you continue to show me. Be blessed, take care, enjoy to the end, and if you're new, I would love for you to become a part of this family by hitting the red subscribe button and tapping the notification bell twice. And for those of you that continue to show me love and support, my heart says to you, I thank you, I love you, and I appreciate you.